Kia ora guys, Liam here, and in today's STEMHYPE video, I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these. This is called a Tensegrity Structure, and the interesting thing about it is it looks like it's been suspended in midair by string. You need a hot glue gun with some glue sticks, a ruler, some popsicle sticks, 3 15cm long strings, 1 12cm string, a 60-degree set square, some marker pens. You're also going to need some scissors. Alright team, so let's get into it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab 3 popsicle sticks and we're just going to set them out and we're going to make a triangle. So you're going to place the left popsicle stick on top of the bottom one and the right popsicle stick on top of both of those. What we can do to make sure that it always stays like that when we glue it, we're just going to make a few quick lines, just around parallel lines to the popsicle stick, just to show where they go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the right popsicle stick off and we're just going to apply some glue to the top of the stick. And now we're going to grab the popsicle stick and just place it on top and just line it up with those lines that we just drew until it sets. Awesome. Now what we're going to do is we're going to grab the bottom piece and we're going to glue in these spots right here and here. So just being aware of where you're putting the glue and keeping it away from your fingers. And then placing it in line of those 2 lines so that it sets. Now we just have to repeat those steps again. Great job if you've gotten this far. Let's continue. Now we're going to grab 2 popsicle sticks, grab your ruler. Now what you need to do is you need to find 1/4 of the length of your popsicle stick. So mine is 149. Let me just grab my calculator and work this out. 149 divided by 4, because we're in quarters, 37.25. So I'm going to make a mark at 37 and then you just draw a line straight up from there. And you repeat that process again on the other stick and make a mark there. So mine is 37. Now we're going to grab our 60-degree set square and we're going to line it up with the mark that we have created. Awesome, so for reference, that's what it looks like guys. Now we're just going to grab the scissors and we're just going to chop across that line right there on both popsicle sticks. So being aware of where your fingers are, just chop right across the line, 1 down, 1 to go. So the first thing that we need to glue is these popsicle sticks to the triangles. So grab the ruler and draw a line kind of in the center. And now for the top, you're just going to draw a line straight on top where the 2 popsicle sticks overlap. Now that we've got these lines of reference here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to glue these legs onto those lines. So what I'm going to do is grab my hot glue gun and just put some on the bottom of the leg. You want to make sure it's facing inwards when we glue it in, inwards into the triangle, and just line it up with that line that you drew. While we wait for that one to set, we'll go ahead and we'll glue this one now. So let's glue that leg. Okay, and once that is set, we're going to grab our marker pen and we're just going to draw lines parallel to the popsicle stick right outside, almost like what we did at the start when we glued the popsicle sticks on. Once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and do the same for the second triangle. Perfect. Now that those are marked out, we can grab our 3 pieces of 15cm long string, glue the string on. Okay, so let's start with blue and we're going to glue alongside the black line, and then we're going to grab the string and get the top of the string all the way to the top of the triangle. And once you've done that, you're going to go ahead and do the same for the other 2 sides of the triangle. Cool, once that is set, we can place that down and we can move on to this green one over here. So we just got to connect them. So we'll do this one. So both legs should be facing inwards when we do this. So we'll connect it like that. And like before, you're going to add glue and connect the other 2 sides of the triangles to the lines you marked earlier. So how we do this last string is we kind of hook it around, well, loop it around the top popsicle stick, just like that. And then we're just going to glue it down here. So So yeah, just be real generous with this last bit. Leave enough string so that we can attach to the bottom, and then we'll add some glue. Sweet, and once that's set, you're going to connect the string to the other popsicle stick. Just so it's tight enough so that it's in tension. So we're going to go ahead and add some glue, and we're going to glue this piece right here, and that's it. So there you have it, guys, the tensegrity structure. Oh yeah, one of the components the tensegrity structure uses is the component of tension. If I apply force to the opposite ends of the string is completely fine. However, if I apply compression forces and push in, the string folds, it bends. And that is why we need popsicle sticks in the tensegrity structure, because popsicle sticks are compression resistant. So when these two elements, the tension of the string and the compression of the popsicle stick, are used together, that's what creates the stability of the tensegrity structure. It's why I can push it down and it seems to be floating. Tensegrity structures are a great reminder that, you know, when you feel disconnected, find a way to contribute or volunteer, because contribution helps connection. Thanks for hanging out. Go get hyped.